Well, it's a great day for Scotland, and we've got a debate in Parliament about Scotland's future and what could be more important to Scotland's future and the future of young people. So therefore the combination of the double announcement of free school meals, primary 1 to 3, universal provision, so that all children in Scotland get a nutritional meal and all the benefits that has, and the extension of childcare to help families of 2-year-olds in Scotland, going up to, by next year, to 27% covered by that guarantee of 600 hours, which we've already extended to all 3 and 4-year-olds in Scotland. These are two big announcements to show that the heart of our vision for the future of Scotland is the future of Scotland's children.
We're absolutely delighted by what's being announced today. Far too many children who are living in poverty currently don't get a healthy school lunch, and it's important, and by removing the means test, we'll actually increase the take-up of those who are already entitled, as well as ensure those families, those children who are on very low incomes but aren't entitled at the moment, also get a healthy school lunch. From a wider perspective, the educational benefits and the health benefits of ensuring all our children get a healthy school meal during the school day are massive in terms of children's ability to concentrate, their ability to learn throughout the school day, removing the barriers between those children who come from lower income families and other children in terms of children being able to eat together. There are a whole range of benefits of taking a universal approach that are very well evidenced now, which is why it's so important and so welcome that this approach has been taken for children in the early years of primary here in Scotland.
It's been a big interest of ours, the Children and Families Bill, extending childcare provision for 3 and 4-year-olds to 600 hours. We inherited 400 hours back in 2007, so that's a big move forward. But the real transformation we're announcing today for 2-year-olds to concentrate first on people looking for workless households, to get that childcare provision in, to help people back into the workforce, and then extending that further next year to cover 27% of children in Scotland at 2-year-old. But we know what the big benefit here is, the real transformation, and that is in the long term under independence to take childcare up to a universal provision like the provision of primary education. And we know we can do this if we get the economic benefits back into the Scottish Exchequer. For example, if we could get a 6% increase in women in work in Scotland, rather like Sweden has, and given we've had a 3% increase in the last year, a very achievable target, that would generate £700 million of additional revenue. So the argument about childcare is what we've done already, what we intend to do, and what we could do if we had control of the finances of this country.